Hi, it's Dan here from Flexxable, and today we're going to talk about how to hire a ninja media buyer for your lead generation agency. Let's get stuck in. Okay, so this was actually a little bit of a trick question or topic for this video, okay, because it's likely that you have everything you need as far as media buying goes underneath your nose already. So that could be you or a member of your team, all right? The mistake people make these days is they think it's about all of the technical scaling aspects that goes on behind the scenes, right? So let's say you're running on YouTube or whatever, that you want to have 10 different campaigns, you want to have auto rules set on when the cost per lead gets too high, you want to be introducing new videos at a certain time of the day, you want to be day parting and switching stuff off and on, and there is some merit in all this type of stuff, right? But if we look at the kind of 80-20 rule of what's going to get you the fastest results with the least amount of effort, it is for you, probably as the person that's in charge of your offer or what you're running for your clients, is to spend time creating better hooks, better ads, and better creative, all right? And this is a really bitter pill for people to swallow sometimes because they just don't want to put the work in. But what we have seen, and I'm going to run through a little kind of template on what you can do here and get started yourself. What we have seen is cost per lead go down by 75% or more when you hit something, okay, when you get something to hit, okay? It's like something goes viral with it. The algorithm loves these type of ads, and it just goes nuts. Let me just kind of talk to you about the way that we run stuff inside Flexxable, and you can kind of decide for yourself afterwards whether you want to give this a go, all right? But I'm going to speak about the Facebook ad platform for the moment, and what we use predominantly now is running is lead form ads, okay? So we'll have the creative, which we'll talk about in a sec, which is the most important thing, and that points to a lead form funnel, and we're talking B2C here, we're talking generating leads for your clients, okay? Creative video ad format, which we'll talk about in depth in a sec. Then you've got the lead form funnel, which is done in a specific way where it looks like a landing page funnel, and you do have that ability inside in Facebook, inside the lead form part of Facebook. And then what we have at the end is leads either sent to high level, and if you are kind of smaller, that's fine. You can send to high level and then pass the lead from high level onto your client. Or if you are a bit bigger and you're generating more leads, you can integrate something like LeadBite, a distribution software that sends leads to multiple clients based on criteria and all that type of stuff. But I'm probably confusing you. Your eyes are probably glazing over right now. So let's just focus on how you can really move the needle with your creative, okay? And we've been testing a load of stuff over the past 3 or 4 months. And what's working the best to be able to send traffic to a lead form is what we call it's like a video ad formula, okay? And it's the most important part of this video ad formula is the creative, okay? It's the video that goes with it, all right? And what we do is we hire actors, and we will run a 30 to 50 second video ad in the first person. So I'm going to probably mess this up, but let's say you're doing it for life insurance. It can be the mum that is maybe kind of juggling the 2 kids and saying something along the lines of, I can't believe I didn't do this earlier. Something happened in my family the last week, and I've decided that I needed to take action because if I didn't, then we're going to be, this scare has caused me to really kind of have a look at my finances for the future if the worst did happen. And I've got to look after these 2 beautiful kids. And, they can be emotion, and, you can really kind of pull on their emotional strings with that video. And it's 30 to 50 seconds long. Then you can talk about some benefits, and then you can move to the call to action after that. Kind of the guys I used in order to help myself, to help me get life insurance, was XYZ. They just tap the button below. It's going to take you 30 seconds to get a quote. It's the best thing I ever did. All right. And it has to be very organic and native. All right. And it has to have subtitles. And it has to have actors that really kind of, get what you're trying to do here. There needs to be good lighting and good sound, okay? And what you're going to experience when you get a video that pops like this is it's going to smash your cost per lead and kind of negates the need for a really good media buyer. All right. So the copy, this is kind of off the cuff. I hope I'm not confusing you too much, but the copy that goes with that video creative is very short and curiosity based. Okay, you want to be making sure that you're, it's dripping with curiosity. You're selling the click, not the service. As soon as you start kind of, selling the service, people kind of eyes glaze over and it's done. You're not going to get the click, right? So you want to sell what's in the video in the first 3 lines of the copy. It can be very short. The video is also selling the click, and you've got a simple kind of headline, punchy headline down the bottom, all right? And if you're able, and we've tested this a lot in the last few months, and this type of video absolutely smashes the pants off a kind of standard image ad that you see that everyone's kind of running. And the good news is you're able to take the creative that you use on Facebook, put it over to YouTube, put it over to TikTok, and you're going to have similar success stories. So there really is a big opportunity here because not many people are willing to take the time to write a good video script, and it's just too much hard work, which is good for you. All right, so it's actually good timing. I've done this video. I didn't plan it this way, but we have I'm just about to do an Ask Me Anything webinar. By the time you've watched this video, it's probably been done, on our B2C lead formula and how that works with video ads and exactly what it looks like, and how we get verified leads coming off the back of it through Facebook lead form ads. This training is, it's a pay what you want after you watch it. If you don't love it, then you don't have to pay anything. But it is inside our Facebook group, the Pay Per Lead Ninjas, all right? So we're gonna link out to that below. You'll be able to follow that over to Facebook, join our group, and the content and that kind of Ask Me Anything training will be there for you to watch. So that's about it for me today. If you did like this video and you want more kind of off the cuff ones like this where I just freestyle, then please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button. If you have any questions about this at all, comment in the comment section, and finally subscribe to our channel so we can create, well, you'll be the first to know whenever there's new content like this out. I'll speak to you soon.